Welcome, Paul.
Hello.
So, MPC rate decision later this week.
Well, personally, I've been shooting the lights out, so I don't know what it is that the other consumers have been doing. I think we all need to try a bit harder. Yeah.
Keep shopping. So, Operation Twist.
Yes. Now, I mean, someone as young as you, do you know who Chubby Checker was? Let's twist again.
Again, like we did last summer.
Fantastic, you see. So that's apparently what Ben Bernanke's going to announce tonight.
Yes.
But I must say, for the record, I'm always totally disinterested in what central bankers have to say. Bernanke is one of my favorite players on the international stage. When I say I don't care or I'm not interested in what they say, I assume that they're always sensible people appointed to do good in their respective economies, so that if the economy is a little weak, they'll do what they need to do. If they're a little hot, they'll do what they need to do. So why get excited about what it is that they're going to do? Just assume they're going to do their best.
Who came up with Operation Twist?
I don't know. What a
like
stupid name. Apparently it means something about taking money on the short end of the curve and buying long-term treasuries.
Absolutely. Okay, so SAB and Foster's.
Yes.
Is that good or bad news for you? 11.5 billion Australian dollars is what the deal is worth.
I was on record as saying as it's a very, very dumb deal to do. I cannot understand why SAB Miller wants to increase its brand exposure in developed markets. So I thought the purchase of Bavaria in Colombia was a great idea, but the big bill they paid for Grolsch in the Eurozone was a silly one. And I still think the same is true of the Foster's deal. Why go into a country like Australia that doesn't have enough people, where people have stopped drinking so much beer, and go and pay big ticket prices to buy their breweries? I know they think that people in Asia want to be Australian so that the Fosters can be sold into India and stuff like that. But I'd like to see them buying more assets in places like China and so on. I mean, it's ridiculous. I think the only thing that they can do with this asset is when Peter de Villiers is finished with the Rugby World Cup, they should send him straight from New Zealand to run the Fosters division. Maybe then they can revolutionise the way business is done in Australia.
Anglo-American and the workers, and they face quite a massive lawsuit very quickly, Paul.
Yeah, look, I think it's an interesting story to watch. Potentially big financial losses coming Anglo's way, because we know that these silicosis claims can be very, very big awards made.